Let's make a BLT veggie wrap. Here are the ingredients you will need: 1 tortilla, 2 cooked strips of turkey bacon, 1 tomato, 2 mini bell peppers, a radish, some avocado, 1 romaine lettuce leaf, and a teaspoon of mayonnaise. First, let's start with the tomato. Cut it in half, and then use 1/2 and cut it into slices, like this. Next, take your 2 mini bell peppers, cut out the stems and the seeds by going inside like this, then you can easily pull it out. Then cut them into thin strips. Next, take your radish, cut it in half, and cut it into slices. Then take your turkey bacon and cut it into strips. You can also use your hands like this. Then take your 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise and spread it all over your tortilla. Then your romaine lettuce. And then top that with all of your ingredients, starting with the turkey bacon, then your veggies. Then wrap it up. Pair it with your favorite sides for a healthy meal.